If you're watching this right now, take a breath. Because that means you're already doing something most people don't. You're looking for more clarity, more peace, more control, more freedom. And that tells me something important. It tells me that you are done letting money control your life. You're ready to start building a future where you are in charge. And if that's you, welcome, you are in the right place. Let me guess, you've done all the right things. You went to school, you got the job, and you tried to save when you could. But still, every month feels like you're just surviving. You're earning, but not growing. You're tired, but you can't stop. You're smart, but you feel lost when it comes to building wealth. Let's be real, we weren't taught this. And financial freedom, it's made to look so complicated on purpose. But here's the truth. You don't have to figure it out all alone. That's exactly why I created Don't Go Broke Collective. It's a private, powerful community of people just like you who are finally building passive income. They're getting debt-free, they're investing smartly, and we're all doing it together. This is a space where we learn, we grow, and we hold each other accountable. Because guess what? No one wins alone. Not anymore. Here's what you get inside the collective. First, you have bi-weekly financial freedom workshops. So every 2 weeks, you learn exactly how to build and sustain multiple streams of income. Second, we have monthly masterclasses with experts. You're gonna hear from women and men who've already done what you want to do, from real estate to investing to digital income. Third, you get investment templates and tools. So you're actually gonna stop guessing how to invest and actually start executing. Fourth, we have an accountability partner system. There's someone there to keep you on track, motivated, and aligned. Fifth, there's a private chat and community. So you're never alone, even when the going gets tough. And lastly, there are one-on-one coaching opportunities. So yes, there is real personalized support to help you move faster. I will have a one-on-one call with all annual members, and I will help coach you so you can get to your goals even quicker. But let me be real with you. There are two types of people who are watching this video right now. One, the person says, okay, I'll do this later. And two, the person who says, if not now, then when? You've seen the DMs, the testimonials, the wins, you've heard the success stories. But here's what you haven't seen yet. The people who stayed on the sidelines, still stuck, still broke, still waiting for the right moment. Let me be real, the collective is not for everyone. This is for the people who are tired of spinning in circles. This is for the woman who knows she is meant for more. And this is for the man who doesn't just want information, but he wants transformation. You don't need to be an expert. You don't need to already be investing. I just need you to be willing to take the first step. And honestly, if you've made it this far into the video already, that's already you. Imagine this, you open your investment app and your money grew while you slept. You buy your next flight for your trip, not with guilt, but with confidence. You see your savings grow every month. And you're not just Googling for help anymore, you're actually making moves with a community that's actually in your corner. That's what financial freedom looks like. It's not a dream, it's just a decision. And your decision starts here. So here's what to do next. Tap the button under this video that says join the collective. Second, join the Don't Go Broke Collective and let this be the moment where your life started to change. Because once you step inside, everything else gets easier for you. This is your invitation to be part of something bigger, to stop learning alone, to build real wealth, the kind that buys you freedom. Again, you don't have to be perfect, you just have to be willing. This is your moment, this is your story, and it's just getting started. I can't wait to see you inside the collective. Let's make your money work for you for life.